How to add EBT card on DoorDash. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add an EBT card to DoorDash, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Adding an EBT card to DoorDash is a little bit of a different process than adding a normal credit debit card. To do this, you have to open your browser, or you can also try and look from the app, but I personally like using the browser. Once you go to DoorDash.com and then you log into your account, you tap the three lines option from here, and when you tap the three lines option from here, you'll find the option that says payment, so make sure to tap on it. And once you tap the payment option here, you can see credit debit, but that's not what we want to do. What we have to do is we'll see the option called program cards that says add snap or EBT card. So this is the option we want to go to. So just tap the app snap or EBT card, make sure to enter your card number, tap the save card option, and this can be applied in some eligible stores. This way you'll be able to actually add an EBT card to DoorDash. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.